YouTube world, you've seen the shocking footage right here previously of this K8 stealth bomber enduro electric bike straight off the boat and delivered directly onto a driveway. I decided to put this electric gizmo to the test before making this post, and it's definitely a legit form of transportation for commuting or traversing the back roads or whatever your needs might be. The power on this machine is amazing, and the torque is very impressive. Just by watching previous posts, our daredevil test pilot really puts this amazing bike to the test. Through the streets, sidewalks, bike lanes, off-roading, and even racing. If you haven't seen those videos yet, I made a quick highlight reel at the end of this particular post showing some of the intense ride-alongs, and have links in the description below for our previous uploads. Currently, our test pilot is convalescing for the next videos. He kind of wiped out on an electric skateboard. That post you'll be able to see here, so continue to like and subscribe, as this channel has been shadow banned due to firearms we like to show off here. Wanted to go over how this K8 arrived in the States and some of the costs. Basically, the whole process was real smooth, and it was purchased off the Alibaba website. There are many videos here explaining how to purchase directly from merchants in China, so I won't go over that. I had my eye on this stealth bomber for a while, and having experience dealing with Chinese merchants before from a previous job, I eventually went for it over the US merchants that I saw here. I ended up choosing a fabricator that allowed me to customize my bike with white rims, gold forks, tail lights, a 5 kilowatt hub, 72 volt battery, over 26 amp hertz controller, and it was easy to assemble. It was packaged very well. The toughest part was adding the wheel, really. Otherwise, all the accessories you just kind of had to screw onto the bike frame. You also have to connect the battery in order to get it started. It did come with kilometers on the setting for the speedometer, but we managed to change it into miles per hour, as you've seen here. The only real con is its weight. It's pretty heavy at 145 pounds, and the higher power you want, the heavier it gets. However, in comparison to the US merchants, I saved over $1,000 on this bike, and even crazier, it costs less than my Aerial Rider X-Class, less than a SUR-RON, and both aren't anywhere near the power of this K8. This is a great deal, and I plan on purchasing from the same merchant again. Later this year, or maybe next year, I should have a dirt bike that can zoom all the way up to almost 80 miles an hour. If interested in purchasing off this merchant, you can choose between a 3, 5, 8, 12, or even 15 kilowatt electric hub motor with insane speed for an e-bike. The prices are negotiable. Be nice and happy hunting. Now, I want to say much thanks to Gigi and Grace at Suzhou Dynavolt Intelligent Vehicle Tech. They helped me out through all this process. They answered all my questions. They were very patient. And once we came to an agreement on the bike, they went into production. I gave them payment, and literally a month later, it was on our doorstep. For additional details and specifications, please refer to the description below. Please wear a helmet. Y'all stay well. Stay safe. Ciao, friends.
Lord, that's bold.